All right, today we're gonna watch another round of our silliness.
Old harvest stuff.
Yeah, we had a couple things. We used to have fun with it. I guess we don't have that much fun anymore with it.
We're working on stuff in the background, but yeah, we don't have anything ready just yet, so we're gonna watch some.
Yeah, Gary and them did a cruise last weekend out to Hutto. We went out there and met them out there. That was pretty fun. Apparently they had like 20 cars on the cruise, so that was pretty awesome. So that'll be put together and ready for next week. But this week is just another round of old school harvest videos. Silliness abound, a bunch.
Yeah.
Something.
Super silly stuff.
All right, everybody. Enjoy what you see.
All right, we'll see you next time.
All right, bye.
Che cosa guardi, eh? Che cosa guardi? Mi stai spogliando con gli occhi? Non puoi farne a meno, poverino. Ti batte il cuore. Ti gira la testa. Sei perso pensando che sarò tua per sempre. You'll never forget the first time you see one.
Hey, you got enough tire left to go up to Empire Hill?
Yeah, I'm good. I know a shortcut.
Shortcut's this way!
My name's Officer Dan. I'm with the High Plains Police Department, PD for short. Drive a Mustang. It's American muscle. It's built for speed.
What's your favorite part about that car?
Everything.
How fast can you go on that thing?
As fast as I want.
And what are you doing out here?
I'm chasing some hoodlums. They've been causing a ruckus and general mayhem all around this here county. I've seen it all. I've really seen it all. But this is just out of control. I mean, these guys need to be stopped. We've been tracking them a while. They lay down thick streaks of rubber on the road, so it's not hard to find them. I mean, they just do it everywhere. I've seen Brodies. I've seen backwards riding. I've seen tossing of cameras. I've seen remote control cars.
What do you intend to do when you find these guys?
They are going to get the long arm of the law. seen the movie Die Hard? Pretty much every day of my life is like that. That's the only way I can explain it.
Some room. He's taking over again. Right. All right, go!